If you want to integrate AI into your professional or personal life, you need a framework. That framework is the RSS method. The RSS method can be used with any AI tool and will ensure you get the best answers, will ensure quality, and will help you maximize your impact. Hello, I'm Scott Meyer. This is 5-Minute AI, where we help you live well and work smart with a little bit of AI. Today, we're going to dive into the RSS method, which will help you with any AI tool you use. Now, RSS is not the blogging protocol, but instead it stands for rip, sandwich, and spread. So let's dive into what those three things mean. So let's start with RIP, or RIP, depending on how you view the future of AI. Now with the RIP, what you're doing is setting the foundation for how to talk with your AI tool. This is what's known as a prompt. The way you want to set it up is you are a role, providing I, instructions, for P, parameters. So you're looking at the role, the instructions, and the parameters. So as an example, you are a SEO expert. That's the role we're giving our AI companion. The instructions are going to be, you are a SEO expert, providing a list of keywords relevant for a local retail store. So providing a list of keywords is the instructions, and the parameters is it's for a local retail store. So as you give a prompt to your AI companion, you want to give it a role, tell it who it is. You want to tell it what you want, that's the instruction. And then you want to give it the specific limitations. That could be how many words, how long you want it to be, the type of voice or tone, maybe the reading level of the audience. So if you can do the you are an R, providing I for P, that'll give you a good start for a prompt. This is what's known as prompt engineering. By giving your AI tool the role, instructions, and parameters, you're going to get better responses. Now, once you've let a rip on your prompt, it's time for the AI sandwich. Just let me finish eating. The AI sandwich is essentially the flow of how we should use AI in our workflow. It's a sandwich because on both sides of the AI, we have humans. So the very first step is the rip, right? You're creating the prompt. So you're asking the question. That's the top of the sandwich. In the middle, you're going to let AI do its thing. After you've given it the role, the instructions, the parameters, it's going to spit out an output based on what you told it. That's the middle of the sandwich. And then at the end, you're going to review what the AI gave you to correct, improve, augment, ask more questions, and that's the bottom of the sandwich. By thinking about our work as an AI sandwich, we keep humans in the loop, we improve our questions, and we allow AI to give us the best responses. So this ensures quality, great answers, and impact. Now, one thing you'll notice when you get into the sandwich is it might be iterative. You might have a one-shot prompt. That's where you just do one rip and you let it go. But you might have little sandwiches along the way, little sliders, right? Where you ask a question, it gives an answer, you go back and edit, and then you ask another question. You keep doing that until you get to the right answer or until you build up your answers into one big response. That is your AI sandwich. Now, once you've taken a bite of the sandwich and you've gotten the responses you want, it's time to spread it. AI is fantastic at repurposing what you created to make it more shareable. One of the most important things whenever we're creating content, for example, is actually leaving time and energy to share it with people. It doesn't matter how great it is if people don't actually read it, watch it, or listen to it, right? So AI can be your companion to help you create bite-sized pieces of your idea for different platforms. So you can ask AI to create it in the form for LinkedIn or Twitter, or you can create a summary for your podcast or video. So by asking AI to take what was created in the sandwich and repurpose it for different channels, you're going to have an idea that spreads. So now you know the RSS method. This is the framework that will help you use any AI tool. Whether it's text with ChatGPT, whether it's images with Midjourney, whether it's video with Runway ML, or anything that comes next, think through the RSS framework next time you use AI, and use the RSS framework to train your team. If we're going to use AI and actually have impact, we need to train teams and businesses to use it in a consistent way. The RSS framework will help you get the best answers, ensure quality, and help you maximize impact. So get started, test it out. If you have questions or ideas of what to learn next, drop them in the comments. We will see you soon at 5min.ai.